Hi, everybody. Today we're going to talk about activating your Handshake profile. It's really simple. When you go to nec.joinhandshake.com, that'll bring you to their homepage where you'll hit the blue SSO button, and that'll bring you right to Handshake. And before you see this page, it will ask you a bunch of questions that will help get the most important information to you as you need it. So you can bypass some of the questions, and I'll show you a little bit about how to answer them. Everything is changeable. Handshake can really grow with you as you look for different opportunities at different points of your career. So once you get to this homepage, after you've submitted all of your information, you can also put more information into your profile. This can help employers really understand who you are and what you've done. And also don't forget to scroll down to the very bottom. You can discover more students to work with. And then also look at some of your skills that you have. Make sure you kind of add everything that is important to you. And you can add more skills that may be a little bit more customized. You can also upload documents. If you upload your resume, it will help you to fill out this information, add in courses and projects you've worked on. Also, going up to your initials again and clicking My Career Interests. This will give you a chance to put everything that applies to you at this moment. So you can check off all these about future plans, and also job roles that you're interested in, including internships, where you're interested in living, and what industries are interesting to you. This can also be a number of different things, including your major, but also other areas of interest. And then finally, thinking about what kind of job areas or job functions you're interested in. Again, there may be multiple, and some may not feel like they may have any connection at all, but add in everything that applies to you. Finally, check your graduation date and then click Save My Career Interests. Thank you so much, and we look forward to working with you.